gospel grows to new heights from a single sprout, like a tree that shelters, embracing sunrise, or a river singing with the holiness, the friendly face of God, holiness, of your maternal love, holiness, of hands that strengthen, loosen, bind,